some more types, exercise 7.7 in NCERT textbook. So already I discussed three formulas in integrals of some more types. In that first formula is integral of root of a square minus x square dx. So formula for this is x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus c. Second formula is integration of root of x square minus a square dx is equal to x by 2 into root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 into log mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Third formula is integration of root of x square plus a square dx is equal to x by 2 into root of x square plus a square by 2 into log mod x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. So based on these three formulas, we are going to solve exercise 7.7 in NCERT textbook. So if you observe these three formulas, if it is a square minus a square x square, here you will get a square minus x square. If it is x square minus a square, here also you will get x square minus a square. If it is x square plus a square, you will get x square plus a square. X by 2 is common. So whatever you are writing here, same thing will come here. Next, a square by 2 is also common. A square by 2 is common. Log mod x plus. If it is root x square plus a square, here you will get root x square plus a square. If it is x square minus a square, you will get x square minus a square. Only for this you will get sin inverse of x by a. So easy to remember these three formulas. First problem in exercise 7.7 is root of 4 minus x square. So what is given? Root of 4 minus x square dx. 4 means we can write like this: 2 square minus x square. 2 square minus x square. So this is in the form of integration of root of a square minus x square dx. Formula for this is x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus constant. So apply the same formula. In the place of a you have 2. So replace a with 2. Root of 2 square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 into root of a square. A square means 2 square. 2 square means 4. 4 minus x square plus a square by 2. A square means 2 square. 2 square means 4. 4 by 2 into sin inverse of x by a, x by 2 plus c. So x by 2 into root of 4 minus x square plus 2 into sin inverse of x by 2 plus c. This is the integration of root of 4 minus x square. Second problem is integration of root of 1 minus 4x square dx. So in the previous, I already in the given formulas, in every formula a square minus x square is there. X square coefficient always should be 1. But here how much we have? 4 we have. That's why take 4 common from this. If you take 4 common, you will get 1 by 4 minus x square into dx. Root 4 means 2. 2 into root of 1 by 4 minus x square dx. 2 into integral of 1 by 4 means 1 by 2 whole square minus x square dx. This is in the form of root of a square minus x square. Root of a square minus x square integral d of root of a square minus x square dx is x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus c. So apply this formula for this. If you apply the formula 2 into root of 1 by 2, a means a square means 1 by 2 whole square, x square means x square only. So x by 2 into root of x by 2 into root of a square. A square means 1 by 2 whole square minus x square minus x square plus a square by 2. A square means 1 by 2 whole square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a. A value is 1 by 2 plus c 2 into x by 2 into 1 by 4 minus x square root of 1 by 4 minus x square plus 1 by 4 by 2 into sine inverse of x by 1 by 2 means 2x plus x by 2 into root of 1 minus 4x square by root 4. Root 4 means 2 plus 1 by 8 into sine inverse of 2x plus c. So multiplying 2 inside, 2 gets cancelled, x, this 2 gets cancelled, x by 2 is there into root of 1 minus 4x square plus 1 by 8 into sine inverse of 2x. So if you multiply 2 inside, 2 into 1 by 8, it will become 1 by 4 plus c. This is the integration of the given function. Next, third problem, given integration of root of x square plus 4x plus 6 into dx. Integral of root of x square plus 4x means we can write like this. Write this first two terms as a plus b whole square. So what is a plus b whole square formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, write this first two terms as a square plus 2ab plus b square. How to write this means a square means x square. A square means x square plus 2 into a means how much? X. A square is x square means a value is x. So to get to 4x here, b how much I should write? 2. 2 into x into 2. Now plus adding and subtracting b square. Adding and subtracting b square plus 6. Next, if you consider up to this part, this is in the form of a plus b whole square, x plus 2 whole square plus 6 minus 4. Plus 6 minus 4 means plus 2 plus 2. 2 means we can write like this, root 2 whole square. Now this is in the form of integration of root of x square plus a square into dx. So formula is x by 2 into root of x square plus a square plus a square by 2 into log mod x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. This is the formula. So apply this formula. Integration of x plus 2 whole square plus root 2 whole square. See, in the place of x, replace x with x plus, replace x with x plus 2. In the place of a, replace a with root 2. Then it will become x by 2. If it is x by 2. If it is x plus 2, x plus 2 by 2 into root of x square means x plus 2 whole square plus root 2 whole square plus a square by 2. A square means root 2 whole square by 2 into log mod x plus 2 plus root of x plus 2 whole square plus a square. A square means root 2 whole square plus c. So the final answer is x plus 2 by 2 into root of x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 2. So this is 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus root 2 whole square means 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means 1. 1 into log mod x plus 2 plus root of x square plus 4x plus 6 plus c. This is the integration of the given problem. Integral of 1 minus 4x minus x square dx. Here again root of quadratic expression is there. So take quadratic expression. Take quadratic expression and simplify it. How to simplify it? And write in the form of perfect square. Write this quadratic expression in the form of perfect square. So how to write means, So take minus common. Here x square coefficient always should be 1. So take minus 1 common. If you take minus 1 common, you will get x square plus 4x minus 1. So minus 1 into, write these first two terms as a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a square plus 2 into x into, to get 4x, b how much I should write? 2 plus adding and subtracting b square minus 1. So minus 1 into, write these three terms as x plus 2 whole square. This is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. If you multiply minus 1 inside, minus 1 into minus 5 plus 5. Minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square. 5 means we can write like this, root 5 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square. By substituting in the given problem, given root of 1 minus 4x minus x square dx. So 1 minus 4x minus x square, after simplifying how much we got? Root of root 5 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square. Again this is in the form of root of a square minus x square dx, integral of, so x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus c. This is the formula. Apply this formula. So a square means root 5 whole square, x square means x plus 2 whole square. So integral of root of 5 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square is equal to x by 2. X by 2 means x plus 2 by 2 into root of a square. A square means root 5 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square plus a square by 2. A square by 2 means root 5 by 2 whole square into sin inverse of x plus 2 by a. A value is how much? Root 5. X plus 2 by root 5 plus constant. So x plus 2 by 2 into root of 5 square means, if you simplify this again you will get, if you simplify this again you will get 1 minus 4x minus x square. 1 minus 4x minus x square plus 5 by 2 into sin inverse of x plus 2 by root 5 plus c. This is the integration of the given problem. Similarly, you can solve exercise 7.7 all problems by using the three formulas.